Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from Our Creative Muse, and we're on the 5th day of Christmas my true love gave to me with the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. So let's look at what day 5 holds. Ooh, have you been following day 1 through 4 and seen my examples? Let's open up day 5, the fun and excitement. Ooh, and we have an embossing folder and it looks like a candy stripe. Alrighty, crafters. So here we have this adorable candy stripe embossing folder. It's a mini embossing folder. This one will be 5.5 inch tall, but it still has length, 1.5 inch wide. So let's see what I can make with this one. Let's get started. Love. Here is my example for day 5. It is a little bit larger than an A2 card. And yeah, she has a lot going on again. There is the awesome embossing folder right here at the bottom with that candy stripe. Actually, this embossing folder is what inspired everything you see here. I started off with a sheet of red cardstock, ran that embossing folder, took it out, and then I was like, this top part was plain. What am I gonna do? So I've been wanting to play with this. I had this for a little while. She is the Spellbinders Blizzard stencil. Now I knew it was an oversized stencil. Did I think it was this size? No, but if you love this, this is a full 8.5 by 11 inch stencil. 11 inches tall, 8.5 inch wide. Look at all that goodness. So just for this little section, I only use this much right here because I decided to finally play with Distress Grit Paste in Snowfall. This is that new product by Tim Holtz. There it is. So the Snowfall dries translucent, and I was worried it was going to destroy the stencil, but this little stencil, or this big stencil I should say, let me tell you, she washes off. I mean, I had to spread it, clean up the edge, and I'm thinking, oh, I gotta get to the sink, it's gonna ruin the stencil. I get to the sink, put warm water, put some soap in my hands, washed her like this. Yeah, I was being loving with her. Because she's a great stencil. I mean, look how big this is. Because I've been known, if you constrict me with a stencil, it's like I'm going over, I'm making mistakes. This thing, I can put dead center, and I'm not making any mistakes because of the sizing. I just didn't think it was this size. But I do like that, though, because then it reduces error. And I washed her, and funny enough, because of how she is laid out, sometimes with stencils, when they have these edges and you're cleaning it, you start peeling the little edge back. Isn't she perfect? She is pristine. That grit paste came off. Thank goodness. I washed it twice though, just to make sure. This will dry and mess up your stuff. And she is fine. I put it back in the package. Happy. So this is the Blizzard stencil. Love. This, coming back to my previous card, and there is a die for this. I'll put the name of the die here, little card die with the tree on top. So cute. Let me pop a picture of what the die set looks like here. In the Nomi Christmas Dance die cut set, there's also 3 of these cars. Your options are green car, red car, and light blue car. You do get those window pieces to put back in. So because this die cut is laser cut. Notice how you're not even seeing. I didn't say that in the last video, but you notice how you're not seeing those little edges that you sometimes have to use your scissors to clean up? That's what I did. I put a little piece of tape, pop this back in, ready to go. Or you can put a treatment on it if you want, vellum, etc. But I think this is such fun. And I love how delicate this is, but she's holding. Not heavyweight to the die cut, but stiff enough that it's holding its shape and not crinkling and bending like crazy for me storing it in just a Ziploc bag, okay? And there's 2 sets. There's a Nomi set and there's also a Christmas delivery. Okay, I'll put a link for both so you can check them out if you're looking for a pack of die cuts, if you want to be like quick crafting. So here is my little gnome from day 3, and here we are at day 5 now with the car. Use the sentiment, so you see that you get different sentiments. Delivering cheer actually, both in this teal way, and then also here in the light blue, and then that happy holidays. I love this little die. Classic happy holidays right there. It's so cute. I cut it out with the Spellbinders pop-up die cutting glitter foam sheets in black and white. I've shown you this before. These are both non-shedding glitter foam, but they do hold their shape. And all I did was just take some Barely Art glue and went behind it lightly, and the Barely Art glue dries clear. So, ooh, 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 look at that. So pretty. Look how I cut with the little die. I mean, this is like intricate detail. Look how pretty that pop-up foam works. So this is fabulous, fabulous. Love, 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 love. Okay? And I will put links for that as well. Now here in the background there, candy stripe cardstock. I will put a link for that if you're interested. And then just some gems from my stash. And all inspired from the candy stripe embossing folder, right? I know. It's like happy holidays, got a car, got all this. And you could do layers if you wanted to. I could have done like that and that. That could have been cute too, actually. Like a 3-row candy stripe. But I liked it down here because here it gave me a ground. And once I saw I had a ground, I remembered that I had this die cut image. Could have also used a die, but I wanted to play with these die cuts also. Quicker and cute. Cute, cute, cute. Love how it's handling, you know, it's staying up. It's popped up here, but holding up very well. Yeah, and that grit paste. And you gotta check out the blizzard. The blizzard is amazing. Alrighty, crafters. Thanks so much for watching. Until day 6, stay crafty, my friends. Happy holidays. Happy crafting. Bye.